Hi guys, and welcome to Fan's Kitchen. Today we're making shallot vinaigrette. And what is a shallot, you may ask? It's an onion. It's a little bit sweeter and it adds a whole lot of flavor to your salad dressing, and even your food. So today we're joined by Chef Matthew, and he's gonna make for us a shallot vinaigrette.
Okay, so 2 to 3 cloves of garlic crushed in a pot, 5 shallots peeled, and I'm just gonna do a very rough chop. Nothing crazy. You just want it just covered, not overflowing. That's plenty.
So basically to cover all the
because
shallots.
it'll just expand once it gets hot anyway. And you just put it on and you put it on medium and start it up. Let it simmer.
So the stove is turned off, and now the shallots are cooling. And once the shallots are cooled, then we move to the next process. Okay guys, so now that the shallots are cooling in the oil on the stove, we will need some maple syrup, black pepper, red wine vinegar, a strainer, some salt, and a blender or a bullet, or anything you have in your house that you can use to blend it all up.
First step is to strain the shallots from the oil.
So we're straining the shallots from the oil.
Then you add the shallots to the blender.
Okay.
There's a few left in there.
We added 2 tablespoons of maple syrup.
Just for a little sweetness.
Just for a little sweetness. And this is really delicious, guys. I mean, you have to try this at home. I mean, the first time I had shallot vinaigrette, I was like, what is that flavor? I love it. So, explore a little. Try something new today. Okay? So when you're prepping your meals for a week, just make your salad dressing beforehand that will serve you for the whole week. And maybe you can try a shallot vinaigrette. So here we go, guys. This is shallot vinaigrette. And remember, delicious, and I hope you'll give it a try today. And as always, thank you for joining us. And don't forget, it's cultural diversity through food. And please subscribe to Fan's Kitchen. Till next time, have a wonderful day.